My beloved listeners, you're going to be celebrating something very special soon. You'll be so full of joy and so much happiness sharing your good news it will almost seem out of this world how suddenly it all happened for you. This will remind you how everything always works out. You will see that miracles are real. Be ready for it. It's all happening now. Type 1111 if you agree you are being divinely guided to a better state of living. You made difficult choices to grow. These decisions raised your frequency. Now you are operating on a higher place of living. Prepare for new blessings to arrive and new doors to open for you. Expect miracles to happen. It is through your belief that these miracles will occur. What is meant for you cannot be reversed. Trust in the divine order of the universe and press forward in faith. Like this video, if you have a belief in God, your life is your story. Write yourself and is the hero, the warrior, the lover, the one who endures all challenges and still grows. Never write yourself in as the victim. Awaken to the world in yourself. Don't look for yourself in the world. Being aware of your inner treasure is knowing that no external circumstance or being can take it away. Type yes to claim it. Welcome success in your life by living like you have already won what you dream about and what you work hard for. Trust that it will manifest. Your actions are gaining momentum. Believe you deserve every moment of the win that is about to come. In claiming it lets the universe know you expect it. Get ready for big blessings. You developed a strong, positive mindset. Despite all of the challenges you had to face, you didn't back down. You created a vision for your future and refused to let any negativity get in the way of that vision. Anytime a problem happens, you view it as an opportunity for growth. When someone brings negative energy into your field, you transmute that energy into good. Get ready to experience a quantum leap. Type payment if you agree you are on a journey of transformation. You are exploring the wisdom of your soul. You are shedding old beliefs and stories that no longer fit who you are. Becoming. Be brave. You are stepping onto your authentic path. Break free of what you need to break free of and create a future that exceeds your wildest dreams. Be at peace. Peace. Accepting the things that have already happened will bring you calmness. You won't always understand the things that happen to you, but there's magic in that unknown. Life takes many turns. Keep your head up and continue pushing yourself. Embrace the uncharted journey ahead, for in its unpredictability lies the beauty of life. Tie yes to affirm life is about to get very good. You have chosen to face the challenges and the tough situations life has presented. Through these challenges, you are being prepared to manifest a higher vibrational state of being. You are attracting a better reality. You are releasing outdated stories and energy from your being, which is allowing you to rise high. Trust that the process of release can be difficult, but through this difficulty comes breakthroughs. December will be the month many things manifest for you. You've been doing the self-work, visualizing, praying, taking the necessary action and speaking greatness over your life. Everything is happening for you. It's going to be a month of receiving big blessings. Be ready and be grateful. Type yes to claim it. What you're about to discover today is life-changing. 1 minute you're struggling to pay bills, swamped with money worries, and the next minute you're attracting money like steel to a magnet. What makes this life-changing difference in people's lives? It's called the genetic wealth code. Once you activate it, your life will never be the same again. You can activate your genetic wealth code here today. It's best to activate this code now while this page is still live. Tap the link in my comments to activate your genetic wealth code. You are ready to begin. You've been waiting to start this new chapter of your life. It's all energetically aligned now for you to just go for it. You are ready. It doesn't matter if it doesn't make sense or if you fear it won't happen. You'll only know when you leave the mental stagnation of overthinking it or questioning where your heart and mind is guiding you. Use intuition and instincts more and let go of the excess control of trying to force predictable outcomes just to feel certain, safe, and sure. Take the chance and see greater happen. Believe in yourself. Remember, when you have confidence in your abilities, you're more likely to take risks, pursue your passions, and overcome obstacles. Trust your intuition and make. You always wanted to be, just don't forget to appreciate who you are now. Focus on loving yourself a little bit more. Your happiness is essential to your thriving. Give yourself more focused time. Compassion, forgiveness, and patience. Be mindful of what you repeat. Key to yourself, because you can unintentionally go out and validate those words. Honor yourself by celebrating your successes. Keep doing the best you know to create your well-being. You are enough. Type yes if you needed this. You need to get ready. Where you are is not permanent. There are explosive blessings coming your way. You will be blessed beyond your normal income. Things will suddenly change for the better in your life. Type yes if you're ready. When you are positive, good things happen. Never limit yourself because of other people's limited imagination. Never limit others because of your own limited imagination. Be the change that you wish to see in the world. Never underestimate what can happen when God gets involved. When the Lord walks in, anything can happen. You have no idea what He can release to you just like that. Stay in faith and stay in praise. Something supernatural is about to happen in your life. Type I welcome the new to a friend term. God is saying to you today, I know you have been questioning yourself lately and wondering if you are really strong enough or good enough to do what I placed in your heart to do. This message is here to remind you that you can do all things through Christ. Don't you dare give up or let fear talk you out of your dream. Remember, I am with you and you will succeed. Succeed. You can do this. Check bio link to Secret of Attract Money link in comment section. Your soul is excited for what is coming. Today, you may not consciously know, but a big opportunity is coming for you. Expect something to show you a glimpse of how this new season of your life is going to be. Type 1111 to affirm. Get ready to follow your dreams with vigor. What makes you happy wants to materialize into this world. It is a wonderful time to be alive today. Walk towards joy and what makes you peaceful, at ease, and happy. Type yes to claim it. You deserve and are going to receive an abundance of blessings. Your family is going to be blessed. Your house is going to be blessed. Your relationships are going to be blessed. Your health is going to be blessed. Claim this energy. God will see you through sooner than you know. You will be standing in the middle of your breakthrough, giving God all the glory for how He made a way, fixed the fight in your favor, and kept you safe and sound at this time. So keep going. You're almost there. The universe is saying to you today, make choices that suit your true self and be confident that they will serve you well in the long term. Move forward with faith and get ready to have some activity. All is well. Type yes if you believe today's verse. See, I have placed before you an open door that no one can shut. Today's message, God is saying to you today, I am going to open doors for you that have been locked for a long time. Suddenly, miracles will happen in your life. Healing and restoration are being released. Your greatest days of productivity and prosperity are on the horizon. Behold, I am doing a new thing. Today's message, God is saying to you today, you've been doing the right thing, suffering with a smile, praising me through the pain, worshiping instead of worrying, and being good to people that aren't good to you. Get ready, greater is coming. I am about to do a new thing. New opportunities, new blessings, and new breakthroughs are coming your way. Type I embrace my power to affirm. God is saying to you today, the next doors opening up will put you in a position where you will never have to borrow, beg, or struggle for anything. You are on the verge of your breakthrough and your greatest comeback. Every voice that speaks against you and your destiny will be silenced. God is saying to you today, you can do it. It's in you, but you're going to have to dig down deep and put forth the effort. It may not be easy, but your destiny is calling. You have greatness and you don't let people talk you out of it. Don't let circumstances convince you that you can't. There are new levels in your future. There is healing, freedom, abundance, and good relationships. Pray, have faith, and don't quit. I will see you through to the finish line. Type I am ready to shine to affirm. If you want to attract huge money effortlessly starting today, check link in comments below to know the shocking wealth secrets revealed by rogue NASA scientists. Subscribe our channel if you believe in God. God is saying to you today that closed door was not a rejection but a redirection to something Bigger and better, I will bring people into your life who will help you, not hinder you. They will encourage you, not judge you. They are not part of your past, so they won't keep reminding you of it. Don't look back. I have something amazing in your future. We don't always understand God's methods. His ways don't always make sense to us, but we have to realize that God sees the big picture. Consider this possibility. You may be ready for what God has for you, but somebody else who is going to be involved is not ready yet. God has to do a work in another person or another's situation before your prayer can be answered according to God's will for your life. All the pieces have to come together for it to be God's perfect time. You must learn to trust God's timing. Let God do it His way. The answer will come, and it will be right on time. I'm optimistic if you're ready for things. God wants you to know this Monday 1. Whoever is coming against you is coming against God. The battle is not yours, but the Lord's. He is going to fight for you too. God is working things out for you. Trust Him. 3. Don't give up on a good tomorrow because of a bad yesterday. God can make all things new. For your week will be filled with blessings, unprecedented favor, breakthroughs, and miracles. God has heard your prayer. God sees every single tear that falls from your face. He knows that you're tired, frustrated, and worried. God is saying to you today, hold on, I won't fail you. It's going to be okay. Needed this. Type yes to affirm. When the Lord brings you through this, and He will bring you through this, you will never again return to the people that misused or mistreated you. You are not a doormat, and you are not just an option. You are a child of the King. Greater relationships, greater opportunities, and greater blessings are coming your way. The devil wants you to focus on your flaws and mistakes. He wants you to believe nothing will ever change. But I heard God say this morning, this is your comeback season. Blessings and breakthroughs are coming your way. Type yes to receive. God is saying to you today, I need you to trust me. I've stayed with you through every difficulty in your life. I've always provided for you. I will protect you and your family. Things may be hard right now, but trust in my timing. I am shifting your present circumstances. Weeping may endure for a night, but joy comes in the morning. Trust me and enjoy this day. Be careful how you think. Your life is shaped by your thoughts. Today's message: if the enemy can hijack your mind, he will hijack your day. Guard your thoughts and declare great things over your day. Repeat after me: I am healthy, I am strong, I am blessed, and I am about to walk into the greatest season of my life. Type yes if you agree. Activate the flow of unlimited wealth, happiness, pleasure, freedom, and confidence into your life by making one tiny change to your morning routine. Would you want it? Check link and comments below to know the wealth secrets to attract an abundance of wealth. Subscribe our channel if you believe in God. God can see the big picture, that disappointment is not the end. Remember, when one door closes, God has another door for you to walk through. A better door. Those difficulties and challenges are merely stepping stones toward your brighter future. Be encouraged today, because God has a plan for you to rise higher. He has a plan for you to come out stronger. He has a plan to work all things together for your good, so that you can move forward in the victory He has prepared for you. God says, my sweet child, by now you already know that you receive supernatural peace by being close to me, acknowledging your dependency on me. Just like manna in the wilderness, you cannot store it up for it tomorrow. So please enjoy peace surrounding you right now and experience the joy that comes with it tomorrow. As you wake up, we will meet again, and I move that mountain, and you will walk on water. I love you. Type I'm gentle with myself to affirm. My precious little heart, it's not worth your tears. These worries, anxiety, fears, they are only clouds that try to hide your radiant light. Remember, child, all these problems are already solved in time. I will show you how it turns out, but for now consider it as a stormy adventure. Move towards knowing that you can move the mountains and walk on water, for I am with you. I will strengthen you, and I will help you. I will always uphold you by my right hand. I love you, my little sunshine. Subscribe our channel if you love God. God says, child, you are idolizing your performance to do good in my name, although I do enjoy seeing you following the anointing, remain your focus on me contrary to cultural ideology. It's not the works that make you valuable or more lovable child. I already love you more than that. Pause into the luxury of understanding that you are loved fully and unconditionally simply because you are mine. Remember, I am jealous God, and what I long the most is to spend time with you, help you, and deepen our relationship. I love you type by taking my power back, attention or affection from others to feel satisfied even if you receive praise for your work or if you are noticed in the crowd, because you know you are loved and seen by God. Your soul was complete before you ever got to those things. Certain things had to be exposed. Level God is shifting the whole trajectory of your life. You may have struggled in the past, but He's giving you joy that will last. Get ready to see the goodness of the Lord. You will see miracles in your life. He's about to overturn diagnoses and break curses. He is breaking addictions, and He's breaking off the fear. No longer will you be haunted by the pain of what you went through, but you will bask in the glory of the new desires of your heart. Type yes if you feel this. Let God be involved in every area of your life that includes your decisions, your thoughts, your goals, your finances, your career, school, relationships, friendships, etc. But in order to hear from Him and know what to do, where to go, and when to move, you must spend time with Him. The more time you spend with Him, the sharper your discernment will be. God says, child, you can live in abundance every day. Day abundance and peace abundance, and see you coming every day from my grace. But child, don't limit me, don't run away too soon. Let the blessings overflow so that you will never have to think of moving mountains on your own. Remember, I hold all the resources on heaven and the earth, so don't be shy, my princess, and enjoy the abundance of my kingdom. Type I am evolving to Aram. The angels are saying to you today, remain confident and determined even in the face of challenges. If you are encountering obstacles which you feel may be standing in the way of your dreams, don't be disheartened. Draw on your inner strength to help keep you focused on your end goals. Take steps towards those goals every single day, baby step. If you must, if you could see your future as we can, many of your fears and worries would be removed. Acknowledge your value and the beauty you bring to this world. We love you so much. A gateway has opened. New beginnings are here for you. You could be feeling anxious, but please be reassured this change will bring many blessings. Have faith and trust that all your needs will be provided for every step of the way. Follow your inner guidance and allow yourself to feel excited about the new opportunities coming your way that bring so much joy and success into your life. Type I am sovereign to claim it's your time for a breakthrough. Make up your mind to leave the past and the old you behind. Focus on giving birth to a new you, the real you. It is your time to create a turning point for the better in your life. It is your destiny to be healthy, happy, and successful. Your future is open, full of possibility and promise. Buckle down and do whatever is required to create a life that you are proud of and a life that you deserve. Don't look back, look ahead, move forward. You have something special. You have greatness within you. The universe will mirror your energy back to you. The quality of your thoughts, your actions, and the words you speak impact the quality of your life. Surround yourself with people who build you up. Ask for help, pray, do everything you can to feel good about being alive. The universe will respond to how you feel in all ways. Always. Type 2222 if you have faith in Lord. I declare everything that doesn't line up with God's vision for my life is subject to change. Sickness, trouble, lack, mediocrity are not permanent. They are only temporary. I will not be moved by what I see, but by what I know. I am a victor and never a victim. I will become all God has created me to be. This is my declaration. Take care of yourself. Type yes if you're ready and share this video with 5 people who trust